Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bokeh effect. Let's get started. When you import the picture you want to add the effect on, select the layer, select the object selection tool, and select your subject. When you've done that, go to select and mask. Here, you can fix your selection. When you're happy with the selection, press OK. Then you can further fix your selection using the quick selection tool. Pressing Command J or on PC Ctrl J, we can duplicate the layer. Select our background layer, but while holding Command, click on our subject layer. Now that we have our selection, go to Select, Modify, and expand the selection. I'm going to expand it by 4 pixels. Now go to Edit, Fill, and Content Aware Fill it. As you can see, it's not perfect, but it's enough for what we need. Now select the background layer, go to Blur Gallery, and select Tilt Shift. By dragging the middle pin, drag the blur to the bottom of the image. And on the right, you can select the light bokeh effect. Turn it up to around 50%. When you're happy, press OK. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.